Beautiful, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Appalachian Cabin, guys. Give us a call today if you're interested. Let's get you a beautiful cabin on your land. Got beautiful 20-foot high ceilings, and check this out. Scoot back a little bit. Look at them beautiful skylights. All that natural light coming in. Come on now, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Get you one of these beautiful cabins on your land. This one here is a 3-bed, 2-bath downstairs. And then you take them beautiful steps up to the second floor loft. And then you got a 4th bedroom up there, which you have the option to upgrade and put a bathroom up there. So this one you can get as big as a 4-bed, 3-bath. If you count the loft as the 4th bedroom and you upgrade to a bathroom in the loft. It already got 3-bed, 2-bath downstairs. Just a beautiful structure. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Okay, this is the one we call the Appalachian Cabin. Okay. Beautiful. We got a full tour already uploaded on the channel, so feel free to go watch it. This is just a quick little teaser video. Just kind of doing a quick little walkthrough. Just giving you all a taste. You know what I'm saying? 3-bed, 2-bath. The kids' room. Got the closet, of course. This one's set up like a little makeshift office. Got your mini split, another closet in here, of course. And then, of course, you got your master right over here. Massive Amish built king size bed, another mini split. There's your front porch. And beautiful. It does have its own bathroom ensuite, but before we go in there, let me show you the closet. It does have a closet in here, good size closet too, behind the door. So got the light on to show you that. So that's where the closet was at in the master. You got your his and hers, got the copper sinks. Beautiful cabinetry. Again, got the closet in here in the bathroom for the bathroom essentials. We can do a tub or walk-in shower over here. And I love how they contrasted the dark wood on top, and then they got the light knotty pine on the walls. I think that really makes it pop. Again, you get your commode. And remember too, guys, we can move things around. If got your baseboard heater. If you don't like this particular look or aesthetic, no big deal. Just let us know. That's what's so cool with a modular cabin. Again, it's like Burger King. You get to have it your way. Just let us know how you want us to do it. And it's like Burger King, y'all. You get to have it your way. You know what I'm saying? Got a window over here. Again, window over here. Got your Mr. Cool mini split. Different mini split options, of course, you can choose from. And this kind of shows you it's a good size master because that's a king size bed. So it's a good size master. Very livable. Again, notice the contrast of the dark pine on top and then the lighter knotty pine. Really nice accent, right? To have those darker ceilings and the lighter walls. I think that gives it a very cozy cabin aesthetic. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Beautiful. Clean, baby, clean. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide, y'all. Give us a call at 812-595-4033 if you like what you see. Again, you got your laundry room over here. There's your electrical panel. You got enough space for your side-by-side washer and dryer. Hot and cold for your washer. There's your dryer vent. There's your back door. Put you a back porch on there. Or side porch behind this door. Got your water heater, of course. Bathroom over there. This is under the steps where you got a spot for, they got it set up for like a little doggy. And then again, back into this vast, beautiful, great room where it's all open concept, 20-foot high ceilings, skylights. This is beautiful, guys. The Appalachian Cabin. Do me a favor, guys. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think of this one. Remember, we need the feedback so we can keep getting better at this. We need the feedback, okay? So we can keep getting better at this. Remember, all your appliances are included. Stainless steel or, you know, any kind of appliances really within the budget allotted for appliances, of course. You got your double fridge. You got your dishwasher, stove, microwave, There are some upgrades in this cabin because we wanted to go all out on this one. Customer ordering this particular one wanted custom cabinets, these D-log steps. So we got some upgrades here, guys, but nonetheless, I wouldn't change nothing about this. I would not change a thing. I think it is just beautiful. Look at that beam. Beautiful. Okay, what y'all think about this one? Comment below, let me know. Again, you go upstairs, and that's where your loft is at. I love this view walking up the steps. First of all, look at them beautiful steps. But look at the view going up the steps. Look how high it is. Look how high that is, y'all. Absolutely stunning. You've got this beam right here. This is a support beam, of course, because this whole roof system, because it's a modular cabin, has to fold flat for transportation. Because remember, we ship these all over the United States, so we got to be able to fold this roof so that we can ship it. So that's what this beam is right here. It's a big old support beam, so we can support this big structure architecturally, engineering-wise, support the roof system once we put the roof peaks back together. Got a little kids play area here, little makeshift office area there. Look at the steps on the way down. Like I said, this one here is going to be going to a customer. They had it set up as a model, but it's going to be going to a customer. So I like to film them before they go bye-bye. So that's what I'm doing here today. Trying to get all the angles so y'all can get a good vibe for what this cabin's all about. Okay, look at the rails right here. Behind me, this is the door that leads into an unfinished loft. It will be finished if you pay for it and want it done that way. Whenever you order yours, this particular customer is doing some upgrades. So they got the stand-up shower for because this is going to be the grandkids' room. That way they don't have to go downstairs to use the bathroom. See, it's a long way down to use the bathroom. So they got the commode, sink, shower here, down, up in the loft. So that way kids don't have to go all the way downstairs. And you see, you got the skylight here, you got a skylight there, nice big windows here at the end. See how we got it all insulated already. Got a mini split here and a mini split there. And again, you can see the hinges down there, so the roof folds flat for transportation. Got the mini cabin here. It's pretty cool. So yeah, definitely this one is just about ready to ship. It's got some furniture here that I guess the customer is going to order. You got your electric already running with your light switches. Just turn that light on there so you see all the lights working. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Again, we can't finish the loft until it has been completely set up because the whole roof system has to fold flat. So we got to take the shower, the toilet, and all that out of it before we ship it so the roof can fold flat. Does make sense? And then we'll put all that back in when we get to the customer's property. They're just testing it right now to make sure everything fits good. So when we get to the customer's property to put it all back together, everything's going to fit like a glove. So they will kind of pre-build everything here before it ships. That way they make sure everything fits. So when the guys are putting all the pieces back together, like a puzzle, everything fits together perfectly on your land. Okay, so again, this is the view from the top of the Appalachian, looking down into the living room area. I'm going to go down the stairs and show you once again. Let me step right here actually and get this angle, because this is a good angle right here. Look at this angle here, guys. You can kind of capture both the skylights. Just imagine this on your property, how beautiful that would be, you know? It's beautiful. See how peaceful it is out here, guys. Lovely. Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. And please, 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 guys, I work really hard on these videos. I'm not a good editor, so I don't even edit them. But I do work really hard taking the time to come out here and film these things with the Amish. And they do take me a lot of time to to do this. So please do me a favor. All I ask is hit the like, share, subscribe button to my content, and leave me a comment below and let me know what y'all think about this cabin. That's all I ask.